Hi, I'm Jim Burke of uslegalwriting.com, a freelance legal research and writing service available to lawyers everywhere in the U.S. In another video, I talked about the economic consequences that can befall a solo or small firm lawyer who hires an associate to deal with a surge in work. In this video, I want to discuss with you some of the more personal, human consequences of the same decision. The decision to hire a professional employee instead of an independent contractor. I was an associate myself once upon a time, and over the years, I have hired, trained, and supervised at least my share of associates. All the associates I've known have had one thing in common. They all expected, or at least they hoped, that if they did good work, stayed out of trouble, managed to keep themselves sober at the firm Christmas party and so on, the firm would keep them on, promote them, and give them timely raises, and eventually invite them to become a director or a partner. In large measure, this is why associates show up for work every day. They have expectations, whether realistic or not, and everybody knows it. Sometimes these expectations are met and things work out, and when they do, that's great. But when they don't, it's unfortunate for everybody, including the lawyers who made the initial hiring decision. A freelance lawyer, on the other hand, has no expectations at all, other than to be paid for the project he or she is working on. That's it, because that's the nature of the independent contract. Once the contract is completed, the relationship is over. Of course, you might choose to offer another contract later on another project, but that's up to you. There's no expectation that you'll do so, and if you don't owe anybody an explanation, regardless of what your reasons might be. When you hire a freelancer, there is no pressure on you, no baggage. You don't have to be concerned that you've created an expectation that might not be realized. And this can feel pretty good. To learn more about why hiring a freelance lawyer might make sense for you, I'd like you to download my free 12-page guide. It's available on every page of my website, uslegalwriting.com. And once you've looked it over, contact me and let's talk. Call me anytime at 207-701-1393. Fill out my web form or shoot me an email to jim@uslegalwriting.com. I'm Jim Burke, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.